Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to find the derivative of a function. The method of finding the derivative of a function is also known as differentiation. To understand differentiation, we must first have a clear idea of what limits are. The term derivative means to lead or draw off. It arises from the fact that when we differentiate, we get a different function f dash x from fx. The term differential has a more mathematical meaning. A derivative can be expressed as a limit, which measures the rate by which a function changes. We can develop techniques to calculate derivatives easily. Derivatives help us to calculate almost everything, from tangent of a curve to velocity of a moving vehicle to the quantity of products formed in a chemical reaction to the spread of a disease. In other words, we can use derivatives to evaluate complicated real life problems. If we are trying to find the derivative of a function y equal to fx, we use the notation dfx by dx. We can also denote it by writing f dash x. From the definition, we have to express derivatives as the limit of a function, but this process is really long. To make differentiating functions easier, there are a set of rules. Here we will discuss the most basic ones. The first rule is really simple. If the function is equal to a constant value fx equal to c, where c is a constant number, then dfx dx is 0. The reason is because c does not change with respect to x. The second rule is called the power rule. It states that dx to the power n by dx equal to n x to the power n minus 1. It is one of the most used formula for differentiating. The second rule can be easily proved by the following method of limits. The third rule is called the constant multiple rule. Let us take a constant c and a differentiable function u. The constant c can be written outside. There are many more rules to find the derivative of a function, but these ones will be used in almost every problem. Thanks for watching till the end. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Have a great day.